Hello guys, welcome back with the Tectonic with 1 star. In the additional, not in the yesterday's newspaper on Saturday, June the 17th, 2023. No, it's the edition of Friday, June the 16th, 2023. It's actually today, Sunday, and Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the Friday edition. And this one will be number 6616. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 17 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 17. It's indicated with 1 star, so I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here, the single box. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here a dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and 2. Do we have more dual boxes? Nope. Triple boxes then. Do we have triple box? I see here a triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, the 3 is already given, so those 2 boxes will be the 1 and the 2. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Okay, more triple boxes in this puzzle? Nope. Triple boxes. Quadra boxes then. Do we have quadra boxes? Let me scan. No quadra boxes in this puzzle. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, do we have more of this kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about the L shape upside down? When you see this shape, figure, structure, or construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? Here, another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. More? No. Then the following shape, how about the T shape? We have a T shape here. Let me draw the T shape here. Rotated, the T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright, more T shapes. Yeah, here another one. So this box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Alright, only 2 T shape. Oh, overlook this shape. We have 2 of this kind of shape. So this box has the same number as that box. Well, it's already filled in. So, next shape. How about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one, but rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. More here, another one, mirrored. So this box has the same number as that box. And the last shape then, here we have the last shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is why you, by the way, maximum are 6. But not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for us, 1 and 5. Let me mark those 1 and 5. 1 and 5 is connected with that box, should be so 1 or a 5. We need a 3 in this area. We have a 3 in this box, so here can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So the 1 and the 5 are left. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. Then these 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Well, it cannot be a 1 anymore here because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 2. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for us. A 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Okay. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 5. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. Alright, these are 3 boxes. Surround the 2 can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for us. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5 is connected with that box, so 3 and a 5 is connected with this box, should be a 3 and a 5. But we already have a 3 here in the same area, so it should be a 5. Is connected with that box, should be also 5. Is connected with this box, should be also 5. And this box is also connected with that box, should be also 5. Here also connected with this box, should be a 5. Is connected with this box, should be also a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 1 box left in this area for number 3. And, well, let me see. Let me see. These 2 boxes surround the 4 can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. That box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5 is connected with this box. Should be also 5. Yeah, let me think. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 2 goes there. Let me see. This box gave me 4, that box gave me 4, so 1 box left for the 4. I should be there. Yeah. This box gave me a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2, 1 and a 2. Well. These 2 boxes can be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fit any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 1 and a 2, we already have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. Well. These 2 boxes, wait. Wait. 1, 2, 3 and a 5. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be, oh wait. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so around the 5 can be a 5. But also that box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5, it should be there. Yeah. This box, well, this. Come on. I think this box should be a 4 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, should be a 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely 4. I marked this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 4 now, so this box should be a 5 then. This box can be a 3, so the 3 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. These 2 boxes can be 3. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. So we solve 3. 1 box left in this area for number 2. 2 boxes left in this L-shaped area for number 1. And the 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be... oh, excuse me. 4 should be here and 1 goes there. This box can be a 3, so 3 goes together with the 4 as a pair, so 1 is left in this area. Should be here. The 1, yeah, 1 should be left. Yeah, the 1 is left. These 2 boxes can be 3 or a 4. We have a double 3 there, double 4 there, so the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this T-shaped area should be numbers 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes are going to be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 1 there, because this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1 then, but we already have a 1 there. So not the solution to place the 1 there. Only place left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. This box should be a 2. This box can be a 1, so the 1 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be and a 4 goes there. 1 is left in this area for number 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this T-shaped area. I should be there, and this connected with that box should be also 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and a 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And a 3 and a 4. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 box left, the final box for number 3. Finish in 12 minutes. Well, told you, need to be faster than 50 minutes, and we solved it again. We solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again in the evening with Subwise Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.